These are real sounds from real animals, and they'll make your skin crawl. Wait for number 1. Subscribe now, if you're brave enough to face nature's darkest sounds. 5. Tasmanian Devil. Its screech sounds like a human scream echoing through the night. 4. Crocodile. Vibrate through your bones. 3. Hippopotamus. Their thunderous roars shake the riverbank. 2. Howler monkey. So loud it can be heard 3 miles away, like a beast in the jungle. 1. Leopard seal. Its alien-like calls under the ice sound straight out of a horror movie. Which one would you never want to hear at night? Comment below.